Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
This tote bag here has changed my life. I cannot believe how convenient it is to have these two tote bags. They're by PFFVRP, and I have used them so much since I have got them. One, they don't look that big, but these things hold a ton. And when you're not using them, they fold up to this tiny little thing. So I always keep one open in my trunk because we always have things that need to be in our car. And before they would be all over the trunk and make a huge mess. They're also really nice when our car is full of stuff because we have kids and I want to bring it all inside the house. I just grab this tote bag, fill it up with everything, bring it in one trip. It's very easy to carry because of this really nice handle. It snaps so it stays in place and is very comfortable. It's great for when I go get groceries. I've used it when we went to the pool to put all of our supplies. We had a picnic the other day with a lot of our friends, and I was able to just throw everything I needed in this thing. And it was only one trip that I needed to carry all this stuff in. Usually, I would have had 5 or 6 bags for all of this stuff. These things are really nice quality. They're waterproof. They stay upright even if they're empty, which is such a great feature for me because I don't like bags that cave in unless you have stuff in them. So these stay up, they fold down to nothing to store them, and they hold everything. Everyone needs some of these tote bags.
But that's just my point of view.